Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Doctor takes a calculated risk that one modality might work better than other modality. So during this treatment, the patient may suffer damage, and in that case, he cannot file a case against the doctor because if you see each and every treatment or procedure carries some amount of risk, that is calculated risk doctrine. If doctor can show through statistics or expert evidence that the chosen treatment modality is also an accepted one, then the doctor is not held negligent.
thank you and thank you for watching.